Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another special commission. This is an A4 size drawing and I really can't remember when I last drew on such a small paper sheet, but doesn't matter, we will still make a very cool video today, and this is commission number 6 for Tolg. This guy has the same name as me and he wanted me to redraw his VEGETA Final Flash drawing in my style. He got inspired by this iconic moment of VEGETA and I will also use this as orientation. This is the exact art style I like the most from Dragon Ball Z. I fell in love with the late Cell Saga and Buu Saga drawing style. That was my inspiration, but over time I found my own style. So now make sure to watch the full video to give me your full and free support, and if you really want to support me and do yourself something good, you can order a custom drawing just like Tolg. All you have to do is to check out the commission contact info in the info box and in a pinned comment. Message me so we can talk about your unique piece of art, which I will create only for you according to your wishes and special ideas. So let's do it, and now I see you again when the drawing is done. Let's go. Alright guys, last touch, and then we finish another epic commission and number 6 for Tolga, and I think this is an epic and very cool drawing of VEGETA Final Flash. I gave it a bit of my own touch, drew him battle damaged with lightning and a huge aura around him, and I really love the colors I chose. I think it's a very cool drawing, so let me know what you think. Big thanks if you watched the whole video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. For commissions, check out the commission contact info down below and check out my online shop for my original drawings and prints. So there will be no speed version of this drawing video as this is already a very short video. So that's it, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next one.